Tell me like a Hellcat.
Ugh, I am so bored. I know that we are still in spring, but come on, summer is like a month away. Jeez. I guess I can go to my room to pass the time. Say, I wonder what should I do, since it's raining outside. Maybe I can play some Mario Kart 8 on my Switch. Hey guys. What's up? Since it's raining outside, I was thinking we could play a game of Mario Kart 8.
I also got the same problem, Jacob. I can't go outside because it's raining.
Same. So Jacob, are you going to play Mario Wonder soon after?
Yes, I am. But first, I wanna beat this game of Mario Kart 8.
Okay. First, let's finish the game, and then we'll move on to Super Mario Wonder.
Man, this game is such a blast. Now, let me go get the Mario Wonder DVD. Okay, that I logged in. Now I can meet up with the rest of my friends.
So guys, are you ready to play Super Mario Wonder?
Of course we are, Maggie. We are ready to play this game.
I couldn't agree more, Shay. Come on guys, let's start playing.
Yeah, what Kevin said. Yes, finally. It's no longer raining anymore. Now I can go outside.